The wait is finally over. Samsung has officially begun rolling out the Android 15-based One UI 7.0 update across Europe, and it's about time. According to reliable tipster Taryn Vats, the Galaxy S24 series is now receiving the update in countries like Italy, Hungary, Poland, France, Germany, and the UK. Currently, it's being pushed out to users who were part of the One UI 7 beta program. But don't worry, it should be available to everyone else within the next few hours. The update arrives with firmware version S9X8BXU4BYCG and includes the latest April 2025 security patch, ensuring both fresh features and tight security. If you're using a Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra in one of these regions, just head over to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install to check if it's available. Pro tip, this is a major update, so make sure your phone is charged, connected to Wi-Fi, and give it a few minutes. Your device will reboot after installation. This update isn't just about bug fixes. Samsung is packing in some serious polish. Expect smoother animations, better system fluidity, improved camera performance, and some fresh UI tweaks that make everything feel just a bit more refined. The new design language is sleeker, app transitions feel more responsive, and there's a noticeable improvement in haptic feedback too. It's those little details that make the phone feel brand new again. And we've got the rollout schedule to prove Samsung isn't slowing down. Throughout April, the update will expand to devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Flip 6, Fold Special Edition, Fold 5, Flip 5, Tab S10 Plus, Tab S10 Ultra, Galaxy S23 series, and the S24 Fan Edition. May will bring the update to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Flip 4, Tab S9 lineup, S23 Fan Edition, Z Fold 3, Flip 3, the Galaxy S34 and S35, as well as older flagship lines like the S22, S21, and the Tab S8 series. Even niche models like the Galaxy Quantum 4, Quantum 5, and the S16 are on the list. Then in June, Samsung will wrap up the rollout for mid-range and budget devices, including the Galaxy A53, A33, A25, A24, A15, Tab A9 series, and more. Though this schedule is based on the Korean market, most global regions, especially Europe, are expected to follow closely. So, have you received One UI 7.0 on your Galaxy yet? If not, it's coming very soon. The update not only brings Android 15 goodness, but also gives your device a fresh feel without needing to upgrade. Drop a comment and let us know your experience so far. Did Samsung nail it this time? As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. You thought widgets were dead? Samsung and Google just proved otherwise. One UI 7 is finally rolling out, and it's not just a cosmetic upgrade. This is the biggest widget revolution we've seen on Android in years. What's coming next is going to change how you use your phone every single day. Samsung's long-awaited One UI 7 update has officially started rolling out, and alongside it, Google just made a major announcement that takes this to another level. We're not just talking about minor visual tweaks. This is a full-on transformation of how widgets work and feel on your Galaxy device. Google calls it a bold new One UI 7 design. And it's not just marketing fluff. The focus here is deep personalization, cleaner layouts, smoother animations, and most importantly, a more powerful widget experience across both the home screen and the lock screen. It's slick, it's smart, and for the first time in a while, it feels like Android's widgets are finally getting the love they deserve. Here's what's new. Google and Samsung are doubling down on widget usability. Developers are being encouraged to build better, more interactive widgets, and Google's actually backing this push with big changes to the Play Store. First up, discoverability. Ever downloaded an app and had no idea it came with a widget? That's done. The Play Store now shows a widget badge on app pages, instantly telling you which apps support widgets. No more guessing, no more hunting. It's all right there, bold, simple, and clear. But it gets even better. There's now a special widget search filter on Google Play. Search for apps, turn on the filter, and boom. You're now only seeing apps that support widgets. This could seriously boost downloads for developers and helps users get to the good stuff faster. And to top it off, there's now a curated editorial page entirely dedicated to widgets. Think of it like a showcase, highlighting the best designed widgets and the apps behind them. If you're a dev, it's prime real estate. If you're a user, it's where you'll find the next must-have widget for your home screen. Let's be honest, Widgets have been neglected for years. But this time, Samsung and Google are making them matter again. And with One UI 7's smoother design and smarter personalization, the lock screen and home screen are no longer just static pages. They're turning into dynamic, intelligent spaces that work for you. This is just the beginning. Android's entire ecosystem is evolving, and this Google-Samsung synergy is only getting stronger. If you've got a Galaxy device, this is your sign to update, experiment, and rediscover what your phone is really capable of. What do you think? Are widgets finally back? Or is this just hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you're loving this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives like this.